Alright, before we get started into this video, I just want to say hi, you guys. It has been a while since I've actually talked like this in my videos. But anyway, so today I'm doing a review. So today I'm doing a review of a new product that I'm trying today. It is Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. Ingredients basically contain pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. It has no sulfates and no mineral oil. Alright, you guys. So far I actually like this line. I have used the shampoo and the conditioner. My favorite so far is the shampoo from this line. The conditioner, it's okay, it's not all of that. And I also paid $6.99 for this hair mask. So let's just get started. My local beauty supply. This looks more like a whip than a conditioner, but it smells amazing. It has like, I don't know how to describe the scent, but it has like, you can smell that it's honey in it. And so this is what it looks like. Like, it's pretty thick. Pretty thick. If we were to touch it, it has like a whip like consistency. So because my hair is pretty dry, I'm going to be pretty heavy-handed with this. Like, I'm going to be doing the most. And my hair is dry. It's like damp. I'm not being neat with this. I'm just applying it to the hair. Starting with the back. Moving around. Okay. Like, if you have to, split your hair up and just like smooth the product on the hair. That's what I like to do to like define those curls. It's making my curls pretty defined. Okay. Don't forget the back about the back head. Even though it's like short, it also needs to be moisturized and deep conditioned and cared for. Okay. Guys, so this is my hair after applying everything. Like, I really think this conditioner is going to work. Like, I'm gonna do what the direction says. I'm gonna leave it on. The direction said leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave this conditioner in for a good 20 minutes because, like I said before, my hair is dry. I really do hope this conditioner makes my hair feel just 10 times better than what it feels right now. Overall, I do like how the product felt on my hair. It glided through my hair. A little bit goes a long way. I was pretty heavy-handed when I was applying this because I like being heavy-handed and I can. It was like really no purpose. I just did it because I wanted to. So I'm gonna come back after 15 to 20 minutes and I'm going to do a detangling, I guess. I don't know. But I'm gonna put the shower cap on my hair and I'm gonna come back after 15 to 20 minutes and let you guys know how my hair is feeling, okay? Alright guys, so I'm back. So it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. Let me tell you something right now. This room smells heavenly. I stepped out of this bathroom and came back, and let me tell you, the smell of the conditioner is everywhere. Okay? Ooh. Bro, right now my hair is soft to the touch. It's pretty warm. And then I'm about to just comb it through. after rinsing out the deep conditioner. And you guys, yo, ooh, I'm loving it. My hair feels so soft. It smells so good. It doesn't feel dry. Yes, girl. Yes. From this review, you can see that I am loving this conditioner. So yeah, you guys, just go out there and give it a try. If you really have nothing to lose, matter of fact, try the whole entire line. Like, you will not be sorry, you guys. And deuces, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this review.